Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Next is you have to make this box. So take a paper, fold it from the between and then make the lines over it. Now you have to fold it from both these sides. Now open it and turn the paper and then fold it from the between. Now you have to fold it from the sides like this inwards and then you have to fold the paper from the backwards. Now make the line in the between and then press it from the sides like this. Fold the paper carefully as shown in the video and then you have to make few more as such and put them together. Put them like this in a line and join them as in the same manner as we are showing here in this video. Fix it like this. Put them one by one and then fix it like this. Put the papers together and fix it all together. Put them in a line and make a box. Keep fixing the paper like this and then put them like this together and fold it. Fix it from the sides and the top as well as shown in the video. Put it carefully like this as we are putting here. Keep fixing it. Make a box-like shape from all the sides. So it's a very crucial step. You have to fix them carefully. Do not break it from the between. Now you have to fix it like this carefully one by one as we make a mat. Keep fixing it and make a box properly like this. You can see how we are fixing them into each other. Now fix it from the top as well like this and cover it from the sides like this. So you can see how we are fixing it and your box is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be making this box. So take the papers and fold it from the sides like this and press it. Now after pressing it, fold it from the top like this. Now we have to fold the paper and again press it like this from the sides. So you can see how we are pressing it. Now you have to fold it and then you have to again press it from the sides like this to make the creases over it. Now press them and tuck them together like this and fold it inwards and close the box like this by making one more as such together and fix them like this. So you can see how we have fixed the papers together and close the box and it's ready. Next we'll be making this beautiful box. So you have to take colorful papers as shown in the video. So you can see we have taken the colorful papers. First we have taken pink one. Now fold it in the same manner as shown in the video. Now take another color papers and you have to fold it in the same manner. Fix them one by one like this and you have to fix it together and you have to fix it in the same manner as we are showing here in this video. Now you have to fix them together like this and it's done. Next we'll be taking these quilling papers and then we'll be folding it like this from the between by making the creases over it. Now make few more as such using different colors and then put them in a line like this and join them. Keep fixing it and fold it and make a bracelet and it's done. Next we'll be making this beautiful box. So take a paper and fold it like this from the sides or from the between first and then the sides. Now we have to make the creases over it. Now fold the paper finally like this and again turn the paper and press it backwards. Now you have to press it inwards and tuck it like this. Now fold it from the sides and fix them into each other like this from both the sides. More as such in the same manner and then we have to fold it and fix it in the top like this over it and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.